Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 16, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. 9th grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 7. Column J, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade and 7th grade, we have pair numbers 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 9, 6. Column D, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 9. Column B, column D, and third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 3, 5. 4th grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 4th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 1st grade, column B and third row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. 9th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Then 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, 5th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. Then column of 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Then in column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Fourth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Second grade and second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.